Hey everybody, this is Ken. I am back with another VION accessory. I've had this accessory before, but this is a improvement to the previous product, and it is for the sunshades. The product that I have is the same product, but they just improved on that product. It wasn't really like aligning correctly, and I did notice that after I did the first video on them. They work just great. I mean, it still blocks the sun like no other, but this one is supposed to have a whole lot better fit. So I will show you what I'm talking about, a little bit of B-roll there, and you'll see there's little holes everywhere where the sun does bleed through, but it's really not a big deal. If you want to see more in depth, you can look at my previous video. All right, so I have the two sunshades for the front and the back right here, and I'll just take them out. And both of them comes in this right here. This nice little bag. It's like a zip bag. Just like that. And both will be located. And these are how they look. And they are all, whenever you're done with them, like let's say for the winter time, you don't really need them. They just come kind of like look like a butterfly. So on this side is probably what will be facing you, and the outside is more shiny, as you can see right here, and that is what will help block the sun. And how you apply these clips, I'll show you really quick, because like I said, this video will be probably pretty fast, because the main thing I'm worried about is placement. I'll go ahead and get the back sunshade, then I'll work my way to the front and do that as well, and we'll see if it fits better. So I'll take this one off. I have the same amount of clips. I'm gonna just put 3 clips, one on the front here, and then one on each side. So that should secure it, and then we'll see if it does fit really nice here, and I'll probably show you. It's amazing how that just clips. These clips are so strong. Oh, yes, fits perfectly. Now I see why VION sent me this, because maybe they recognized there were like a little flaw. Dang. At first I wanted to be like, okay, you don't have to send it a new one again. Like the ones you had before were like awesome, right? But yeah. Okay, so I have on the clips, as you can see probably right there. There's one on each side of this sunshade. And I have the very glossy part that is what has the technology to block some of the sun rays. Put each side in. Yep, it fits perfectly. No kind of gaps, especially on this front one. The back looks way much better as well. If you did buy the one before, definitely it's fine. It still does its job. There's just some gaps that VION worked out, maybe from customers letting them know. I really never noticed it, to tell you the truth, until they sent me an email, let me know they were gonna send it out to me, because they worked on that. That's cool. Quick turnaround there, VION. Jump to the back really quick and we'll just close out this video. If you have any questions, please let me know. This is, once again, VION Sunshades upgraded version that is way better placed for the Model 3 and Model Y. If you want to pick this up, it is a 10% discount on their website using my discount code that I will leave in the description below for you. YouTubeKeN. See you in the next video.